trick. But I'm not going to be doing it the way we did it earlier, the way it is, the way you heard it. We want to, go a little slow because I'm also a little, tired now. Need a little break. You'll know which song it is. So start.
Can we all have the flashlights? Come on. You can take a video if you want. Let's see.
Yeah, here we go.
Come on, Ukhrul. Beautiful.
Can I hear him a little more, Duncan? Yes. वो चली देखो प्यार की गली उसे रोके ना कोई वो चली वो चली She's found the love that's real Now her wounded heart is healed Finally वो चली Leaving all her tears behind Only love's on her mind Finally Though she tries, but she can't hide all the joy wrapped up inside. She can't wait to reveal and tell you how she feels. Well, this time it feels alright. There'll be no more lonesome nights. Good times are here to stay. Love will shine on every day. वो चली देखो प्यार की गली उसे रोके ना कोई वो चली ना मेरी जान देखो जाना ना कोई प्यार का लुटेरा लूटे ना मेरी जान There is some pain. Don't ask me why, I can't explain. Maybe I did love her too. Now there's nothing I can do. On the other side of town, Her love is waiting on, and she's waving me goodbye. I think my heart is gonna cry. वो चली देखो प्यार की कली.
Come on, everyone.
ना 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 मेरी जान, जाना ना वहाँ कोई प्यार का लुटेरा लूटे ना मेरी जान. वो चली she's found the love that's real. Now her wounded heart is healed. Finally, finally, वो